Normally shadows, they're a little bit fuzzy because the light from the sun is coming from a whole bunch of locations, but now because it's coming from basically one little sliver of the sun, the shadows are all getting very, very sharp. Oh my god. Oh,
so weird.
My god. Ah!
Guys, look around. Just try looking around.
This is insane right now. Oh, this is just unbelievable. What?
Oh my god!
What is happening? This is absolutely insane.
There's the beach!
I feel like it's hard to breathe. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is so totally creepy.
Oh my god, the sun!
Oh my goodness. This feels so weird.
Look at the sunrise, Derek! It's at every direction!
Oh my goodness. There's like sunset, sunrise, every direction. People are going nuts. This I did not expect. I don't know what I expected, but...
Oh my god!
This just looks so wrong. You can see these prominences, the solar corona coming out, the top left and right and the bottom. I can see Venus directly above me.
You can see the stars.
Oh
my
what? What is this? What? I just don't even know. We are inside totality. I am kind of speechless. It is just unreal right now. Isn't it? It's totally nuts.
Oh.
What?
Poke the hole in the sky. But it's so dark. 360 sunsets.
Our excitement that the sun is back. I'm gonna pop the solar filter back on.
Yeah. So we're reading.